welcome to this
RG.
Hi guys,
welcome to this.
welcome back. कहाँ से आए?
Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is RG here.
So what are we doing, Jinal, today?
So we are doing Q&A today, which we gonna ask each other, and these questions will be way naughty and spicy and juicy.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Yeah.
So yes, you guys will definitely have fun.
Fun.
Guys, please watch the whole video till the end.
Yep.
And
And this is something like coffee with RG.
yeah,
Today
we
night.
have our coffee mugs ready today.
Yay.
That's the first
Yeah.
sip.
Yum. Tasty.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Let's start the video,
Yeah.
guys.
So okay, before digging into our questions, okay, let me clear you guys about today's content. Like, we'll be asking each other questions that will be fun, spicy, and juicy. So at last there will be more like interesting questions. So okay.
Watch this video till the end if you actually want to have fun.
Yeah.
Guys, today, let me just remove my ghar ki chappal. We are in our pajamas today.
Yep.
Because we are shooting at night.
Yeah, and we just want to get very comfy.
Yeah, from the
So-
last 2 days, Aarti was not free, and we just made direct, when we were just sitting and
Yeah.
hanging around.
Okay, so shall we start?
Yeah,
Okay, guys, so let's get started.
I'll go first.
Oh, I don't know what she's gonna ask me, so I'm little like nervous.
Okay. What's something you've always wanted to try but haven't?
There are so many things that I have always wanted to try, और उनमें से एक है कि
You just need to give some juicy answers, okay? No decent ones.
okay.
It can be decent, but a little bit. I don't know how much you're undecent you are, but let the people know.
अरे ये मैं गांजा की बात करूंगी, and then mama will watch.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
रुक ना,
You like to try some alcohol?
Mm,
You can say that.
yeah,
This is valid.
valid.
But guys,
This is
we
so-
need to think a lot because
Yeah.
maybe our parents will
Mm,
definitely
definitely
watch
watch
this. So
अब ये कट करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, so yeah, that's two things I want to try, but I have never had pork and the beer or vodka. Okay, so it's
Second.
my turn, guys. Okay, let me get started with the basic one, very basic, and it's like a kid questions or so. Okay, so my first question would be, who is your celebrity crush?
oh, it's so basic. It has always been Tiger Jackie Shroff, the hottest banda.
You know, you have a different taste in the
Guys.
crush.
Crush? Oh yeah, actually. That's
No offense, but I'm not really into Tiger Shroff. He just seemed too cute to me.
Then off. I love him.
I don't know.
Okay. So, how would you describe your type when it comes to someone you're attracted to?
You might already know this answer.
No, I don't.
Okay, so what was the question again?
You like tummy guy?
क्या बोला तूने?
Because that's what I know.
If it is the like ये होता है ना कि फर्स्ट टाइम देखो और अट्रैक्ट हो जाओ, तो ऑब्वियसली वो लुक ही होगा, because आप जितना भी बोलो रेस्पेक्टेबल.
But you have to describe your type.
My type?
Yeah, like manly guy, bodybuilding type.
I want family guy and the guy that loves me very much, और मैं जो भी कहूँ वो कर दे ऐसे चुटकी बजाकर.
But I know this Aarti is very like so much connected to her roots.
Yeah.
And Nepali people are so much what is that word?
What?
Like they're so into
Your family?
no
What?
beliefs and everything. Like, you know,
Yeah.
you did not get my point. like you believe in God a lot and
Yeah,
you do
yeah.
part Puja and everything.
Yeah.
If I compare me to you,
Yeah.
I'm not that much
Yeah,
into
so
it.
I
Even my
love
mother doesn't.
एकदम एकदम full भगवान को जो फॉलो करने वाला वैसा बंदा चाहिए, and I want family guy, क्योंकि family guy होता है ना, then he is automatically mature and he knows everything how to handle with the situations and all. So I just want a respectable, family, loving and caring guy for me. That's my type.
Yeah,
वो
I
टॉल वाल तो
know.
मुझसे थोड़ा ही टॉल होगा तो भी चलेगा, and he must have curly
नहीं, सबको
hairs.
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है इसकी बात से कि she already has one.
How come, like कुछ भी मत बोल. अरे ऐसा तो मेरे पास 10 है. अरे ऐसा तो मेरे पास 10 है.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है।
Oh, that's
Okay, मेरा आंसर हो गया. Okay, so Genial, what's the most embarrassing childhood memory you ever had? Like in your childhood, what was the most embarrassing memories?
I think I told you one story, but I would not like to mention it over here because it's not good.
Don't spill the tea here.
No, that is not. But
Just spill the tea. Spill the tea.
what's
yeah?
the most embarrassing thing? I don't know, man.
Like that gave you trauma.
No.
Your brain was traumatized with that.
And that I regret, right?
It doesn't necessarily
It's
mean
not. It's
like,
okay. There was Diwali. Diwali was going on, and I was so chotu, and my brother was also there. And my brother was second or third Diwali was there, and we both were like, वो तनक तारा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, I don't know. हमारे गुजराती में तनक तारा बोलते हैं. फुलझड़ी, फुलझड़ी.
Oh, अच्छा.
हम लोग जला रहे थे, and my brother was so छोटू, तो मैं ऐसे जलाते जलाते उसके हाथ पे लग गया.
लेकिन ये embarrassing थोड़ी है कि
Embarrassing नहीं है, but
तूने तो मजे लिए होंगे तेरे भाई को जला कर.
नहीं यार, मेरे को जो गाली पड़ी है ना उसके बाद, मेरे मम्मी पापा तो ऐसे सिर पे चढ़ गए थे. I was crying and crying because I was scared. Okay, they freaked out when they saw him in that situation. So
Obviously.
okay, but it's not embarrassing, but okay. Okay. What's the weirdest place you've ever kissed someone?
Oh, तौबा तौबा तौबा.
Please don't give me this shit, okay?
गाइस, आपको लाइक देख के पता चलता है क्या मैं ऐसे सब में इंगेज हूँ?
Definitely yes.
नो. और मैं क्वेश्चन भी भूलते जा रही हूँ. इतना गंदा क्वेश्चन है ना ये. तो राम 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 राम.
ये ना छुट्टा मारूंगी तेरे सिर पे. इतना भी झूठ मत बोल.
Okay, the weirdest place that I've kissed someone, I would say cheeks.
What the hell? How is that weirdest?
I've kissed my family only. Family
You're
only,
lying
guys.
me on my face.
Okay, so let me spill the truth here. Okay, so when I was kid, I'll keep it short. Okay, मैं जब ऐसा 7th standard में थी, then we had the truth and dare game. ठीक है, तो एक मेरा नाम नहीं लूंगी, बट एक मेरा दोस्त था, वो लड़का था, एंड वी आर प्लेइंग ट्रूथ एंड डेयर. वो बचपन में वो खेलते, तो मुझ पे डेयर मिली और बोला कि जा जाके उसको किस कर ले. वो क्लासरूम में आई हैड किस्ड हिम इन हियर, इधर.
Okay, so that can be weird.
There. Okay, so have you ever laughed so hard that you peed a little?
What is this question? No, never.
I've seen our guys doing that.
What? When? When? I never felt that. How did you feel my body? I never had.
Okay, so you never had. What if you had? Like, how would you react? Like, तूने ऐसा चलते चलते या फिर ऐसे अचानक किसी से कुछ ऐसा समारोह है कि फैमिली पार्टी और तू ऐसे बैठते बैठते you laughed so hard and peed a little. How would you react?
A little, then only I can know, na? कि
No,
वो
लेकिन
ऐसे-
ऐसा तूने पैंट पहना तो दिखेगा ना कि
No.
जीन्स पे वो.
This question means a little, not too much that it can show.
What if it was too much?
Then I can know that I have मेरे को सुसु लगी. I need to go washroom. इतनी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, इतना तो थोड़ा है दिमाग. Not like you. Okay, I want to know this. Actually, I want to know this. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?
I do believe in love at first sight. Like love की जगह मुझे like पसंद है, क्योंकि you can't fall in love with someone. It can be attraction, कि उसका look देख के उसने दूसरे के साथ कैसा behave करते हैं वो देख के you can get attracted by the dressing sense,
I totally
by how
agree.
respectable he is. But I just believe that you can't fall in love.
Love within
is
like
a-
one side,
one
one
side,
day,
yeah.
or 1 month.
Yeah,
No.
so yeah, I do believe in the like in first sight. I wonder
you
if
can
this
just-
term fits in this sentence, but yeah, love in first sight की जगह I would say like in first sight, like attraction in first sight.
because
Yeah.
that doesn't make sense, and I agree with you because क्या बोलने वाली थी मैं भूल गई. हाँ, if you like somebody, you will spend some time and then you will get to know whether this person is good for me or not.
Yeah.
Right?
Ooh, if you switch life for a day, what's the first thing you would like to do?
With you?
It could be with anyone.
With
Not-
anyone?
Yeah, if you switch life, like life could be of animals too. Animals, either like your friends, mates, me,
I think I'll switch my life with some
Korean
celebrity.
guys.
No Korean guys.
Jackie
Yes.
Shroff, like Tiger Shroff.
No. Obviously, some kind of heroine, not a guy. Obviously, a girl, so that I can.
And yeah, what would be the first thing you would be doing?
Rather do shopping and everything. I will buy myself a good, like.
Why
purse.
wouldn't you just make money for you? Like तू for example तू एक सेलिब्रिटी बन गई तो तू तो स्वैप कर दे ना तेरे बॉडी से, तो वो
हाँ.
सेलिब्रिटी से तू कल तो जीनल ही बनेगी फिर वापस.
हाँ.
तो डड जीनल को इतने जगह जमीन पैसा तेरे नाम कर दे.
इतनी बुरी मैं नहीं बनूंगी, guys.
I'm evil guys. I'm not evil but चलो
I will
ये
not.
तो जो मेरे साथ रिलेट करते हैं.
मैं पहले शनाल का बैग लूंगी, परफ्यूम लूंगी,
I'm not really into brand. जैसा मुझे ब्रांड्स का कुछ नहीं, क्वालिटी अच्छा होना
डियोर का
चाहिए, that's
लूंगी,
it.
डियोर का वो बड़ा वाला पर्स.
I'm not really into brands. No.
I'm so much into them. Yeah, I'll ask him.
It's getting interesting.
Ever had a secret crush on a friend's partner?
No. Friends partner?
Never.
No, never.
If he's so hot.
None
Dashing.
of their partners are hot. I'm so
What
sorry.
if? There's what if.
No, I'm not like that. No.
No.
वो मैं उसको ना ऐसा brother zone में कर दूंगी.
And
ऐसा-
then if they broke up
I would
and you
just say
actually
no.
like him.
Mhm. I would never like him क्योंकि मैं उसको बात ही नहीं करूँ. मेरा दोस्त का बंदा है तो
He's like a brother. to
brother,
me.
like उसको मैं इतना ज्यादा भी बात नहीं, जब काम हो hi bye, that's it. Have you ever had crush on someone totally unexpected?
Yeah. I know.
I know.
Like, yeah, you know.
I know.
That's so bad, but yeah, I have.
You
I
like
should not do that to this person, but I don't know why. Okay.
बोल दे
It's-
कौन है
नहीं,
कि
I
वीडियो के
cannot
थ्रू
spill
थ्रेड.
that. I'll take this secret to my death.
सारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
I will not. If that person is interested in me, maybe I will.
So interested कब होगा जब तू बोल देगी. He is really good looking though.
Yeah.
Guys, he is really good looking.
Blush, girl. I don't know why. Okay. My mom's gonna watch this video.
Go. No, it didn't work.
I'm gonna cut this out.
No, I will not let her. आ जाओ बेचियारा फोटो मेरी खींच.
Definitely cut this video, and even if you upload with this clip now, I will delete it from YouTube. Have you ever been caught doing something naughty?
I wish, like, मैं विश करती हूँ कि पकड़ भी जाओ, लाइफ में थोड़ा एडवेंचर होना चाहिए. लेकिन ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं कभी. I never got like caught. Sad life.
I want you to ask me this question.
Okay, so yeah, what's your perfect date idea you'd like to go?
What is this, guys? I'm telling her to ask me this question.
But that's fine, yeah.
Because I want my future husband to treat me with this date. That's why I
Listen
asked
to her future husband. Future
Yeah.
husband, just listen to Gina, what she's asking. Just so that you get clear what she wants.
Okay, let me tell you. I want a closed room.
Ooh, getting spicy, yeah.
Closed room with a lot of petals in it, rose petals, a dining table, then my favorite food, which is pizza and pasta,
Mm-hmm.
and some mojito. But this room should be fully.
Soundproof.
No, why would I want that? There should be a speaker that I can just play some song, like a dance, sweet
yeah. Wow.
song, and I can dance.
Oh, that's really nice, dude. For me,
Uh-huh.
I would prefer the alphabet date. Like, it was really viral few
Yeah, I know
months
that.
early.
I know that.
ABCD
It's a
wala
whole
date and
series date, yeah.
I really like that sweet little cute things. जो भी
Please.
हो मेरा please
Please.
प्लीज मुझे ले चलो
Please.
प्लीज ले चलो मुझे मेरा ऐसा वो ए अल्फाबेट डेट पे
Please. Please.
what
Please listen.
yeah you should ask me then
है ना? तो वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ. Okay. How do you feel about getting a little wild on a night out? And also if that guy is someone you like.
okay so if I would go on a night out with a guy that I like is it in a group or two of us
No, it's a group.
group right okay so first I will make sure that nobody's watching we'll two of us will go
Because
for,
in Canada it's so common. You can make out on streets and everything. It depends on you whether you
but
want
still
to do
we're
it or not.
connected with our roots so
You
no,
might keep it
no.
private
yeah, no
so nobody can watch it.
no because that person might not know that I like him
Yeah, that's what
So-
I'm saying. If that person is there and if you like that person, would you like convince him or
I'll just get drunk
piglau him with your moves?
no I will not do that 'cause
Why?
I'll just get drink even मैं ऐसा पी के टली ना फिर भी ना हो ना फिर भी I will act टली so that I can spill
Oh, okay. You might act.
yeah drunk I like drunk and I will ask him to let's go on a peaceful area वो अभी crowd होगा ना group में जाएंगे तो we'll go to peaceful area
चलो ना.
not like that और मैं उसको confess कर दूंगी कि how much I like him that's it so what's something you have never told anyone before
That I have boyfriend.
क्या बोला तूने?
Straight away answer. I have boyfriend. Don't be that much dramatic.
I'm just being dramatic, guys. Okay, that was a straightforward answers. Nobody was expecting
If
that.
I might have, I might don't have, whatever.
Okay.
It depends. I can lie that I don't have boyfriend, but I have, or else I can lie that I don't have. No, I can lie that I have, but don't have.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So,
Nobody knows.
depends. So, did you ever had a no strings attached fling?
Hmm?
Like, this question means that did you ever thought about a guy like that? No strings attached. No more
you believe-
contacting him.
I didn't even get this question, so how do you expect me to answer this question?
Did you still not understand?
No, I understand. It's like a one night stand. No, yeah. So I would prefer to do these deeds with my boyfriend or my husband. It's better to do with them. Why would I call my
Why you're
unknown
being so
person?
pathetic right now.
I'm a bit pathetic.
Please just be a
but-
little bit transparent, guys. She's not been transparent over here.
No, I am. Like, I would rather do it with my boyfriend or husband.
Oh, okay.
That's what I said.
And that's fine. And that's
yeah,
fine.
that's what I said.
I just wanted to ask you whether your mind is not that way, you don't want it that way, but like just when you saw a guy and you think no, nothing romantic, but just this.
Yeah.
Did you ever felt that looking
No.
at a guy?
No. No.
No.
Mhm.
All right, that's the answer to my question.
No.
Would you ever kiss someone just to make them jealous? Like just to make somebody else jealous. It might be
The
your
first-
boyfriend or
In order to jealous my boy?
yeah.
No. No, I would not do that because it would be cheating, right?
So guys, we are done with our coffee mugs. Our coffee is over and our questions are also done. We are done with this video.
Yeah.
So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends, and if
Comment
you
below.
want such kind of videos, you can just comment down your suggestion and we'll try to make one on that. That was it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel and share as much as you can.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
for
We'll be back
watching.
with our new videos.
Yeah,
Please
very
watching, guys.
soon.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Love you.
Love you.
आज blue है पानी
I
पानी
want you
पानी.
to. Oh, will kill you.